What up? What it do? It's your boy JDQ. On today's video, we're gonna do a second attempt on how to explain step by step how to use the TomAsk app on your phone. All right. So obviously, the first step is to download the TomAsk app. As you can see on the upper right corner, I've already downloaded it. Okay. Now the reason why I'm doing this video is because last time I did it a few days ago, I did it in a very fast fashion, meaning I went through it like lightning, like almost not explaining everything step by step. And I know a lot of you, were like lost or confused or, had trouble doing the steps or whatever. But so this time I'm going to go slower and just take you by the hand step by step on how to do it. Okay. So once you have the TomAsk app downloaded, you're going to want to open it. All right. When you open it, okay, you're going to see a few things. You're going to see your ID profile number on your upper left corner. You're going to see how much money you've saved on TomAsk app, like how much money you've made so far. As you can see on the upper right corner, I have made $3.44 thus far. Okay. And then on the center of the screen, you're going to see a list of current tasks. Okay. Now, these are the tasks that you do in order to get rewarded real money. Okay. Right now, we only have one actual task available, and it's the one that says scan, and then it says app and free. Okay. Now, it says install Open Play, redeem reward. So with this app, okay, the TomAsk app, you have two options. You can either download the app that they want you to download, and you can like use it while the timer is going so that you can get your reward, or you can download the app and open it, but then go back to the TomAsk app and just wait it out for the 3 minutes to time up and just cash in anyways, which is what we're going to do today. So I'm going to go ahead and select that first task. All right. Now it says step 1 and it says keyword scan and it says rank about 10 on the app market on the App Store. And on the side it says plus 23 cents. That's the amount that they're going to pay you to download that app and even just open it. Once again, you do not have to use the app. You do not have to sign up for it. You do not have to, pay or do anything. You just open the app, push it to the side, go back to the TomAsk app and just wait it out. All right. So let's download the app. The link to that app was copied to, I forget how it's called, but yeah, pretty much like words that are saved on when you copy and paste something. So it said it's going to be roughly number 10. All right. So I'm going to look for, there it is right there. Okay. So just to make sure that's the one, we're going to do this. We're going to compare. Yep. That's the same logo. And we're going to go ahead and get it. All right. Now that was really fast, actually. So now, before you do anything, do not, I repeat, do not open the app on this screen. What you're going to do is you're going to open up the screens. You're going to go back to the TomAsk app, and you're going to open it through the TomAsk app. It's very important that you do this, because if you do open it on the other side, it's not going to reward you the 23 cents. So, open it here. All right. Okay, so the app opened up. You're going to hit the X on the upper left corner. Hit X again. All right. You're on that screen. And you don't have to do nothing with it. You just go back here. And as you can see on the bottom left corner right there, it says get money, and there's a timer. It's already going through 2 minutes and 40 cents. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to speed this video up around this time, so that way you're not waiting here the whole 3 minutes with me. And then once it does it, I'll proceed to explain what happens next. All right, so the timer is up and the get money button has been activated. All right, so once that happens, you are going to click that button. All right, and it's going to reward you the amount that it said it would before you did the task. So now you see on the upper right corner how the number changed. All right, and that is how you use it, guys. Very simple, very straightforward. So I hope you enjoyed this how to do video, and I hope it was easy to understand, and that you're able to get a lot of rewards through the TomAsk app. All right. Once again, I tell a lot of people, you might not get rich overnight with this app, but it does give you a lot of like spare change, if you will, just for doing easy things like that. So enjoy your day, guys, and I am out.